Hello everyone, I'm Sweet Valberry and welcome to my ComfyUI course series, launched in collaboration with Olares. In the previous lesson, we started from the basic concepts and principles of AIGC image generation, introduced two user-friendly AIGC tools, WebUI and ForgeUI, and easily generated a variety of works such as cute girls and posters with clear text. However, when you want to deeply understand the underlying logic of models, personally control the noise distribution during sampling, or try the latest large models such as Flux, Crea, WAN 2.2, or Q1 Image, or pursue higher performance for near real-time image generation, you may find these tools somewhat lacking. They suffer from black box operation, lagging updates, heavy VRAM demands, and overall performance bottlenecks. To go further, we need to switch to the more powerful and controllable ultimate AIGC tool, ComfyUI. ComfyUI is able to support newly open-sourced models and closed-source APIs at the earliest opportunity, has optimized model loading and sampling processes, boasts extremely low hardware requirements with exceptionally high performance, provides a vast array of nodes, allows you to deeply interact with and control the entire model sampling process, and lets you effortlessly drag and drop shared workflows to instantly replicate creative results. With so many powerful features, what's the trade-off? Complexity and a steeper learning curve. If using WebUI is like driving a bumper car, where you only need to worry about the brake and accelerator, then ComfyUI is like piloting a fighter jet. There are countless dashboards and control levers. Without some knowledge, you'll quickly find yourself at a loss. In this series of lessons, we'll learn and master ComfyUI from several perspectives together. Our goal is not only to run ready-made workflows, but to deeply understand how to build a perfect workflow from scratch to suit your own needs. Without further ado, let's get started. The first step to learning ComfyUI is, of course, understanding what it actually is. In simple terms, ComfyUI is a platform released and open-sourced by Comfy.org, available in both server and desktop versions. Its main function is loading local AI models to generate images, videos, audio, and other content, but it also supports API nodes for closed-source commercial services, such as Nano Banana, Kling, and more. You may have heard these labels associated with ComfyUI, representing different people's perspectives. For example, tags like flow visualization, high customizability, strong extensibility, and rich plugins affirm its capabilities as a hardcore tool. Conversely, tags like high learning cost, operational complexity, and steep onboarding curve point to its reputation as a newbie killer. In my view, it's a highly versatile Swiss Army knife. The simple mode is just to start with a ready-made integration package or the Olares app, drag in a shared workflow, download the recommended models, install any missing plugins, and click Run to get results. It's no more complicated than using Photoshop or Excel. If you want to implement a complex function yourself, you can break down the task, find the appropriate models and plugins, and build and tweak step by step. No need to write a single line of code, yet achieving functionality on par with what developers create. But no matter how you use it in the future, you need to start with installation. If you're on Windows, have at least an 8GB VRAM NVIDIA graphics card, and more than 16GB of RAM, you can simply download the portable version, such as the official clean build without plugins, or the integrated package provided by me, Sweet Valberry. Just unzip and run. Or choose to install the Olares system, an open-source and free personal cloud operating system with a built-in application store, which includes plenty of practical applications, and of course, regularly updated ComfyUI. With one-click download, install, and update, containerized deployment and management based on Kubernetes, stable operation, and configurable access policies for privacy protection in private mode, sharing with friends in public mode, and LAN login-free access in internal mode, it's extremely convenient and handy. In the Olares system, besides directly clicking the app icon to enter ComfyUI, there's also a launcher offering super practical features. The homepage displays the current application version and status, provides quick access to designated directories, and enables one-click installation of resource packs. Model management not only lists all installed models, but also connects directly to Hugging Face for effortless downloading of new models. Plugin and Python dependency management works similarly, allowing one-click updates or installs. However, for beginners, it's recommended to stick to the defaults to avoid conflicts. The most useful feature is network configuration. Many users in different places encounter three major stumbling blocks when learning AI: plugin updates failing, dependencies not installing, and models failing to download. With Olares, you can easily solve these by setting up mirror sources, such as proxy sites. Once configured, the network environment is automatically detected. If all the lights are green, you're good to go. Back to the home page, just click Open at the top right, and you'll enter ComfyUI.